Come on, no, I take narcotics. I get eat up all these perks. Said I feel it in my body. Oh, it's a love real. I don't care at all. I pray one day I'll be get all love for you know where and all. I wanna break back new, but have y'all just fake the middle on the mall. It's a play okay, I call them free for me. She get in the mall. Light skin fine, she ready to drop little K's and drop. We been in the mall. I say when she around, she be feeling the same, but say I be making her calm. Niggas on fake pages down bad hating, wait till the millions come. A bitch know damn well not tell me about it, baby, cause I'm putting dick in her lawn.
Yo, YouTube, man, it's your boy Vaunt, man. We back with another video, man. Hey, y'all can see, man, title, thumbnail. You feel me? Y'all finna see. Today is my birthday, man. We done turned the dog club. We 20, man. Dude, how you feel, man?
Man, feeling good, man. Feeling good.
I think gonna say how you feel on my birthday. What, dude? What the fuck?
You should never ask me.
Man, nigga, it's my birthday. Don't ask a nigga how he feel on my birthday. Anyway, y'all. Anyway, for real. Yeah, I am 29, man. Today is my birthday. We finna, y'all see, we finna go to a car meet, man. I hosted my own car meet. You feel me? For my birthday. It really something different. You feel me? You feel me? How everybody come out, all that good stuff, man. And link up with everybody. You feel me? Something different. So, the Fresh, SRT Fresh, he told me he had a special guest coming out. I'm not sure who's coming out, but he said he had a special guest. I don't know who it is. You feel me? See, I'm really hyped right now. So you feel me? But what else? I'm supposed to have a photo shoot right now, well, in a few minutes with J-Ski and Micey Productions, but I don't know where they at either. Shit. But hell yeah, right now, we driving to the A right now, man. I go to my smooth car meet. I hope everything goes smooth, you feel me? Hope a lot of people be out there, feel me? Yeah, I hope everything be out there, man. Let's do it, bro. Shit hard, man. Come on, go shot my dog, man.
Come on, Avery, bro. Avery, get on cam, man. Don't. This ain't me. This his shit.
What's up, y'all?
This his shit.
Hell yeah.
This his shit.
Yeah, this shit hard. Shit, shout the shit out, man.
Fork Official on Instagram, y'all. Fork Official.
Come on, man.
Shit hard. Your age, bro. How old are you, bro?
15, doing this shit for real. Hell
Damn.
15.
Oh, my bad. Hey, yo, bro, this shit hard, though. I fuck with it. Gotta flick up on this shit. Hey, yo.
That's like my beginner design.
Beginner, bro.
Beginner design.
Motherfucker's nasty. Look at the shoe. It really paired everything. Paired together.
Cream would have been too much.
That's what I said. I told you the cream would have been too much, bro.
Yeah.
Start at 8, bro. Alright, bro, we finna head up that way.
Alright. Appreciate y'all, man. Of course, bro. Come back.
I'm gonna see you like an hour.
Alright, bro. Y'all be safe.
Alright, bro. Y'all be safe.
Y'all be easy.
Hey, yo. This shit. Hey, y'all can see y'all. You feel me? I done got my real outfit. You feel me? If I'm being honest, bro, this wasn't my real outfit. This wasn't my planned outfit on some shit. Yo.
Hey, bro. Let me see something, bro. I just want to get it on the camera, bro.
I got you.
Real quick, bro.
I got you.
Just to give Avery something to look forward to.
Alright, bet. Shit, man. Well, y'all see it, man. Yeah, that's a raw footage right there. Hold on. We on bad timing right now, y'all. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we just thought this. That bit was so loud. Oh my goodness. That bit was loud. Like, I ain't never heard my car that loud before. I'm not gonna count. But yeah, y'all. Hey, y'all, we are finna head to the meet right now. Y'all see the time, you feel me? 7:38. I mean 7:39. Bro, we finna be late to our own meet. That's a real black person thing. Like, you late to your own thing. Late to your own function. Dudes, how are we late to our own function, bro?
I don't even know.
Hell yeah, man.
Black people time.
But yeah, y'all, shit. Well, I'll catch y'all when we get to the meet, man. Let's go. Like, if we in a big old shitty. Nah, for real, this the city, man. You feel me? Yeah, yeah. Fuck with this shit, man. We was standing on that bridge last video. Was it last video? One of these videos. Shit. I remember we standing on that bridge looking down on all this shit. Now we down here. But next video, we'll be up there. Not speaking to the Insta, y'all. We'll be up there, man. Okay. Come on, man. Alright, y'all can see we did pull up to the function, but bro, look at all this traffic I done started. Like, bro, I done all this is my traffic. Like, this nigga really cut in front of me at my own shit though. Like, that's what I'm trying to get to, bro. Like, cut in front of me. Fuck it, man. But yeah, y'all, this is my traffic, man. You feel me? That's crazy. Like, That shit OD crazy. I ain't gonna cap. Hell yeah, man. Shit. I guess next time y'all about to see me, shit, we gonna be in the building, bro. Shit, I'm trying to see how that fuck. Look at all that traffic, like, gang. It's just crazy. This is the geek. I'm in the geek chat. What you say, Deuce? We is the geek chat. All right, y'all. We are finally in here, man. We are behind. Come on, what that is again? Sergio. We are behind Sergio, man. You feel me? Damn, we on a little roundy dude. Whoa. But hell yeah, man. You getting better and better, bro. We almost up there. Deuce, how you feeling, bro? Like that, sir?
Good. Hands up for me, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Dude, stop saying how you feel in my video. Yo, nigga.
Bro, you keep asking me, bro.
Come on, how you feel, bro? Oh, we up here, gang. Hey, let's see how they act, man. Let's see who I love here first. Damn, I'm ready for my own party, shit. Okay. Smooth. I don't think nobody up here yet, for real. I'm gonna go park down there. Damn, gang, nigga just spot, you feel me? Where I'm gonna park at? Right in a bit? Where you wanna park at? Hey, y'all can see, man. We pulled up to the function, man.
Yeah, appreciate it. So
But Zach attack.
Hey, you want the peasy tonight?
Cameraman.
Hey, y'all, man. Shit, I told y'all see the view, man. Shit, smooth little view. Little something. Feel me? What up?
Can you please tell me the sauce, bro?
Bro, this man. I don't got no sauce,
Please
bro.
tell me the sauce,
Bro. Come on, tell me the sauce, bro. What's the sauce, bro?
What's the glitch?
Stand down.
What's the glitch?
Yeah, stand down, shit. Really stand down.
Y'all just stay down and stack your page, man. Y'all
No
can have
cap,
shit
man.
like this. You know what I'm saying?
Come on, man. Hey, yo, man.
I got butterfly though. Look at Pete the Hood. Carbon fiber.
No cap. That shit hard. Damn, bro, I can't get over this view though. Like, bro. Feel me, boy? Ah, damn. Come on, why you
Goddamn high food.
Come on, why you put the camera over here yet? Got that shit. Oh shit. Hell yeah, man. But that traffic was. All right, y'all see, man. I'm finna do my photo shoot, man. You feel me? Just something slight right quick. Finna, oh my God, take my pictures right quick. Me and Quan, you feel me? Hell yeah, man. Let's do it. Come on, Quan.
I got money and everybody I had little change. They say pay supposed to help me, but this shit brought me more pain. I go steal a car to take your fight on was the dark days. Everybody know I got 2 whips on J19, don't stay in mom place. How you doing? I'm feeling good. I feel so misunderstood. Wanna be mine, bring a truth. Drop the dot, we running through it. Little Timmy didn't even when you know I got 2 whips on
Got some
J19.
geeky shit. We got my car on Demon Time right now, man. My car on Demon Time right now, man. You feel me? Did you? Yeah.
What's going on?
That'd be hard.
I have to look at the inside too.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. He done sold this bitch.
Oh my gosh.
No, I ain't gonna count. This bitch is hard, though.
That bitch is crazy.
That bitch is hard. Hold on. That bitch is actually hard. That bitch hard. I ain't gonna lie. It got some money in that bitch. I ain't gonna count. It got some money in that bitch hard. I ain't gonna count. Instagram right there. Apex. Oh, you're Apex Custom.
Nah, I know him.
Oh, type shit.
That's me right here.
Alright, bet. The Black Ghost. Shit, I heard about Apex Customs too. I heard about him.
Yeah, Apex too.
Hey, yo. You got the white, icy white brake calibers. I fuck with that. Bro, the interior, bro, I can't get over it. The interior is just hard, bro. That bitch hard.
Getting sleeve.
Bro, that bitch feel like my roof, bro. Feel the Bitcoin? That bitch actually hard.
Yeah, that bitch definitely do feel like the Rudo.
You ain't think about getting no stars in it?
That's gonna be the next thing. Some stars.
Hell yeah. That bitch hard. That bitch trim right here. Yeah, the jailbreak 10. One right there. Feel me? I gotta find fresh though. They said they need fresh at the whip. Where is fresh?
Hey, nigga. You know what I'm saying? What's happening, bro? You good? Proud of you, bro. I'm proud of you, bro.
Uno, man.
Proud of you, bro. What's up, alright?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Alright, bro.
Bro, I'm looking for fresh. You know, I'm keep getting.
First 10 times already.
Damn.
Come on, y'all.
Bro, Jaco, come on, bro. Hey, that's the varsity. Varsity. Bro, 12 is hating on me, bro. 12 don't. Yeah. 12 is hating on me, bro. Hey, damn, bro. They like, bro, what you gotta say? 12 hating on nigga, bro. They wanna see me be great. Hey, man, we trying to sit down on our birthday right quick, man. I'm finna come too bad. Oh, don't get off camera. Hold on. Hold on. Come on, say, hey, man, it's my birthday.
Baby, don't fuck with the mammals. We gon' make sure that you fed. Know your bitch a free shit.
Man, I'm doing a vlog, man.
They watch folks.
Yeah. But yeah, man, we waiting for everybody to pull up. Man, that shit really just made me mad on some shit. Like, bro, you caught some of that? What old dude did that 5'7" shit? That shit really blew me, bro. Anyway, bro, waiting for everybody to push back up, man, on some shit, man. Yeah. See, y'all see the scenery? This is a whole different scenery. Yeah, I still fuck with it low key. I hit the police again, but shit, fuck it. Feel me? People still pulling up and shit, man. Yeah, man. Let's go. Oh no, who said he's not tonight. So look.
Shit, I ain't gonna cap, bro. I can't. I got, let me steal this line.
You got like 2 slides.
How they call it? Oh no, what you want me to do? It's my birthday, what you want me to do?
Slide that bitch. You got new tires yet?
Yeah.
So I got a special guest coming
Yeah.
for a little music video type shit. You a slide for it?
I gotta do it, bro. Man, this video done turned into something else. He said he got a special guest coming for a music video. Slide. Shit, man.
I feel like you would have it in time though, because you really got like, you just gotta know, you know.
So you think I got it, son? You think I got it? No. I got it.
Yeah, from the last time when I was in the middle and you was holding that beat.
This shit like loaded those.
All right, bet. Shit, we'll slide.
Oh,
Bro,
man.
you gotta, bro, don't leave, niggas. Stay here.
Garage, man.
Stay, bro. Bro,
Hit the garage, man.
huh?
They hit the garage.
What you mean hit the garage?
Parking garage.
Nigga. Bro, no,
Goddamn
bro.
fool.
I'm not trying to, bro. You just don't. This man,
No,
This nigga try to body slam me in front of some females, like.
Bro, don't believe what he's saying. Bro, he came with me on that. I ain't even
Bro,
touched
this nigga try to body slam me in front of some female. He said, "Oh, let's slap box." Bro,
that count. That counts.
Bro, one, did you not see that?
Bro, he ain't see that.
Tripping.
Shit count. Bro, don't listen.
Call for the big body. All right, y'all. They said. Hey, come on. I think I got Will game. Y'all think Bach got Will? Just chill. But hell yeah, man. We're gonna back up to the I'm about to say high rise, the rooftop. Yeah, we were going back up to the rooftop, y'all. They said police. I don't know why everybody left. They said the police said we were straight. I guess everybody just got scared, you know, the police shut shit down. But they said we straight, so we going back up there. Everybody, y'all just see everybody heading back up there, and then everybody meet back up finna get back lit. Let's go. Like I said, it's a music video going on, man. Shit, Deuce. I'm not sure who that is. Feel me, but shit. Sing lit out a bit, man. Some little lit shit, man. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, man. This is the end of the video, man. You feel me? This is my 20th birthday, man. You feel me? I hosted a little car meet. See, that shit was smooth, low key. That shit was smooth shit. Hell yeah. Anyway, shit, if y'all like this video, comment, subscribe, man. You know, share all that good shit, man. Drop some happy birthdays in the comments, man. No cap. Oh, we finna hit 600, man. We had like 584, 586, some shit like that. So yeah, man, let's get that, man. Like I said, if y'all enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, man.
I done
Let's go.
stay down and been patient for too long. This shit done finally paid off. We got a drop, so you better not move on. Might fuck around, take your face off. Got caught down.